Triumph Scrambler 1200X finally launched. Plotted as a replacement for the Trumph Scrambler 1200XC, the Scrambler 1200, this new motorbike is now easier to access with a seat height of 820mm and can still be lowered to 795mm with the low seat height option. The suspension stroke has also been shortened so that it is easy for riders with a wider range of postures to ride. In terms of undercarriage, the Triumph Scrambler 1200X uses upside-down front suspension and dual rear shock absorbers from Marzocchi, replacing Showa and Ohlins. The diameter of the front brake disc is 310mm, smaller than the 320mm disc on the Triumph 1200XC. The calipers use Nissin products which are installed axially, whereas on the previous model they used Brembo M50 radials. Even though it seems like a downgrade from its predecessor, this was done so that the price of this new motorbike could be more affordable. Regarding performance, the Triumph Scrambler 1200, the exhaust header, has also been revised to optimize exhaust gases and provide a wider torque range. As a result, peak power and torque now arrive 250 revolutions per minute earlier than the previous version. It has 89 horsepower of power at 7,000 revolutions per minute with 110 Nm of torque at 4,250 revolutions per minute, which is channeled through a 6-speed transmission. The riding aids sector also received an update with the presence of a traction control system and 5 riding modes consisting of road, rain, sport, off-road and rider configurable. In the cockpit, this macho scrambler-style motorbike is equipped with an instrument panel with Bluetooth connectivity to access turn-by-turn navigation and notifications on cell phones. Combine new features with a range of revisions and updates that apply to both the Scrambler 1200X can be seen as a substantial upgrade over their predecessors. The new 1200X is far more accessible, easier to live with day to day and, with £800 sliced off its price tag, considerably cheaper than before. Triumph has dropped the spec in areas. New Marzocchi forks, for example, are non-adjustable, but improved functionality, accessibility and safety with the introduction of lean-sensitive rider aids. All of the Scrambler 1200's incredible performance, capability and style, made more accessible. With its low seat height and effortless ergonomics, the Scrambler 1200X inspires confidence on the road and off it.